Hey y'all, bam, look what I got. I'm super excited because y'all, I ordered this palette last Thursday and I got it like in a week. Last time I ordered from Beauty Bay, it took a month and a half to get my palette. But like the palette on camera doesn't even do it justice. Like there's this color in here called Crystal where depending on the lighting, it could be like, oh, it's just beautiful. It's like more than one color. It's like more than two, looks like. But anyways, starting off above the crease, I just went ahead and laid a sorcery. It's just like light purple color. Probably is just purple, just a little bit lighter. And then in my actual, like just beneath it, kind of even a little bit above that crease some more, I laid down Elixir. It's this like, it looks like a soft like blue, like I don't know how to describe it, but when it goes on the eyes, ooh, all these colors be pulling magic tricks on me, y'all, because they do not swatch what they look like. I love it. And then under Elixir, I went back up to Voodoo. I'm gonna show all the colors later, but I went to Voodoo. I was like, I don't know who I think I am with this small ass eye space making this look, but you know what? It came out. It came out. It showed out. I did not even know about this palette. It's called the Book of Magic, by the way. I didn't even know this palette until the day it launched. I was on Twitter and they're like, oh, I was like, oh, I need that palette. I know I said I wasn't gonna buy any more palettes, but y'all, I needed this palette. Oh, and this shade is called Jinx. Like, oh, this is probably one of my favorite shades in the damn palette. It's like this dark and black blue. I don't know how to describe it. It's a shimmer. I just love it, and I just put it all over the eyelid because I don't know. I just wanted to cover my eyelid with it. And bam, this is the finished look. I did minimal makeup. All I did was foundation and foundation and concealer. I didn't want to go too all out. And then also I ordered like their little bronzer in the shade Caramel, just bronzed up above my like on my forehead, but you can't see because I'm wearing the hat, and then a little on my jaw. So here's the shade that I put in the inner corner. That one's called, what is that one called? Moonlight. And then like I said, Sorcery above the crease, Elixir on the crease, and Voodoo under it, and then Jinx on the eyelid. Oh, okay, yeah, Jinx on the eyelid. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. If you guys haven't, get this damn palette.